Well, it's time to swap the two anvils over. So a 300 pounder for a 450 pounder. This is going to be a fair bit of work, and there's an awful lot of sawdust everywhere from making the block, which I think is probably a little bit too tidy for this purpose, but it looks good and I intend to run with it. So free advice, don't do woodwork in your smithy because you end up with sawdust literally everywhere. So there'll be a hell of a lot of cleanup to go. Like, it is absolutely everywhere, and there's mountains of it. So I've got a bit of heavy lifting to do. The block weighs about 80 kilos, so it's 160 odd pounds of nice Australian hardwood.